brings daily sales. Broilers give weekly returns. Turkeys are in demand for holidays and celebrations. Even a small chicken house can generate funds to expand into bigger projects. Value addition like smoked chickens or dressed turkeys multiplies the profits. Our Bible in Psalms 128 verse 2 tells us that you will eat the fruit of your labor. Blessings and prosperity will be yours. I remember during Christmas last year, our turkeys sold out faster than we expected. Families wanted something special for their celebrations. That moment reminded me, poultry can be a steady stream, but also a season jackpot if you plan well.